New Year, we are inviting you to watch and support the Religious Education Virtual Concert for a Cause.
On January 27, 2 to 3:30 p.m. University break yan. Kita-kita tayo.
This is an alternative learning activity for you guys, the LSUD students.
And this is for the benefit of the medical frontliners and the LSUD Scholarship Program.
See you there!
Hello, mabuhay Colas Alliance. Sa mga nagnanais na mag-donate para sa ating Riyadh concert, pwede ninyong ipadala ang inyong mga donasyon sa mga bank accounts na nasa ibaba. At ganun din, pwede nyo itong ipadala sa ating GCash QR code na nasa ibaba. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Animo!